Good morning. A lot of people hit me up after my wiring video, asked me what kind of seats I'm working on, so I'm gonna show y'all that. I wired them to make sure they work before I put all this work in. But yeah, that's the condition they in. Let's start with the driver. Gotta remove these bolts. There's two more. One on this side. 13mm bolt. Another thing, I put an arrow in front, so when I get ready to put it back, I know which way it go. Look at all that rust we got to treat. That's why I'm doing it. We got it off. So we see we got 3 springs off, 2 up here, 5 total. Hook them back. All right, we got them hooked. On to the next. All right, we got 2 clips, one right here, one right here. I don't know if y'all can see them, but let's see. Right there. I'm gonna use a pry tool, hopefully. I hope not to break it, but if I do, I can replace that. I'm just gonna go real slow. Try not to break them. Got it out. Didn't break it. Got them out. Didn't break them. It's a good thing. Next thing we do is take this handle off. I'm gonna use this screwdriver to pry it open a little bit. Then it should have a clip on the inside. All right, I got it out. I had to turn it up so I had better leverage on it. That's what the clip looked like. Now I should be able to rock this on and off, but I'm gonna do it slow and gentle. But it should just come on. Like that. Didn't break it. All right, we're gonna remove this clip first. Just pull it down, and then pop off. I use a screwdriver, it's easier. And it's off. With that off, we should be able to go all around. Start pulling all this off the seat. I can't do it with one hand, so that's what I'm finna do. Just like that. And we got hog rings. That's the hog rings, and now I'm about to clip. Next, you should have 2 Velcro. See that? But push down on this so it won't pull your foam up. Like that. Pull this through, and it's off. Shot. Now I got it off. I just sit back, look at the foam, see where it's uneven at. Blah blah blah. I ain't finna fix it yet. We're working on the seat frame first. We're gonna take the foam out. Should just come out. Be careful. Like that. Watch your seat. Like that. Now I just flipped it over. And then I gotta get the black plastic piece off. Kind of intertwine. The easiest way I found to do it was comb my tweezers, bend it up, get it started. Then I should be able to go all the way across. Just like that. See how that hooks on to that. Lucky I got some weights. I'm gonna put that on the seat. Hold like that. I ain't gonna feel the whole time, but I'm gonna peel this up. I'll let you know when I get right here. I'll cut you back on. This ain't no joke, so I'm going a little bit on each side. Get it up. Making progress. Got the Velcro right here. Show you the good with the bad. I found it easier to move the seat. Took that weight off of there. I'm almost right here. I'm at the hall ring. The hall rings. Got the hall rings cut. The hard part, getting that headrest on. But I'm gonna take a break before I forget. So we gotta move this. And we should be able to get to the clips in that headrest. Got that off. I don't know if y'all can see that clip back up in there. That's where it is. I gotta try to get to that. We got it. We got it. Hey, boy. That's how she look. Show you this, all the springs was off. See, when I took it off, all of them fell out. Got it fixed. All right, that's it. She restored. Rain ain't gonna stop me.